In the last 2 months, I have grown my TikTok account from scratch to nearly 10,000 followers, generated 1,100 leads, and closed a little over $50,000 in sales. The craziest thing about these numbers is that they aren't from one viral video. In fact, I've yet to have a video truly go viral on TikTok. Instead, I'm consistently averaging around 100 followers a day, with some days getting as many as 200. In this video, I'm going to share the exact strategy I used to get these results, so let's get into it. My name is Jordan Maylea. I'm the co-founder of the Global Freedom Community alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider, where we give ambitious entrepreneurs the blueprint to start, grow, and automate your online business so you can create a profitable social media presence without stress and overwhelm. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button. We put out great new videos just like this one on this channel every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training we release. If you've been sleeping on TikTok because you think it's nothing but a bunch of kids making viral dance videos, you're not alone. I'll be the first to admit my mom and I avoided this app for way too long, thinking the exact same thing. Even after we started seeing other entrepreneurs have success on the platform, we argued that success on TikTok was all about luck, posting as much content as you can, hoping and praying that something one day, hopefully, maybe, goes viral. I'm happy to report this could not be further from the truth. TikTok has over 1 billion active users worldwide, 50% of which are over the age of 30. So yeah, there are a lot of Gen Z people making viral dance videos, but there's also a lot of entrepreneurs across all types of industries and demographics making serious cash from this platform. Today, I'm breaking down the exact strategy I've been using to not only grow a TikTok following very quickly, but also monetize it in a way that I've not seen happen organically across any other social media platform ever. It's more simple than you might think, so let's get into it. First of all, you need to know your niche. We talk about this a lot on this channel, but that's because it's important. If you don't know your niche and have a clear strategy for establishing yourself as a resource and authority to your ideal clients, you're going to struggle to stand out and get sales on social media. I'm not going to get into that in this video because we created an entire video all around this super important topic, which you can watch right here. I'm also going to link it below for you as well. Once you know your niche, it's time to start creating content for that niche. And on TikTok, that means taking some extra care to warm up the algorithm as you start posting. When I decided to get serious on TikTok, I began by posting 3 times a day for the first 2 weeks. Yes, that's a lot of content, but it's important, and here's why. The TikTok algorithm works similar to a search engine. It looks at your content and uses what it finds to push your videos out to more people who would like what you're posting. When your account is brand new, the algorithm has no data to pull from. And this is why it's really important to give it as much data as possible in the first few weeks so that it can quickly determine who you're trying to reach. This is also why it is so important to know your niche and not deviate from it. If you're posting anything on TikTok that is outside your niche, all you're doing is confusing the algorithm. This is probably one of the biggest mistakes I see people making right now on this app because it used to work. When TikTok was newer, you could get away with posting a bunch of random stuff because the algorithm was actively looking for more content to push out to its users. But as more and more people start using TikTok, the algorithm is becoming more sophisticated, only showing users the content they are most likely to watch, engage with, and come back to. If you are posting a weight loss tip one day and then sharing a funny video about your dog the next, the algorithm won't know who it's supposed to show your videos to. So guess who it's going to choose? No one. It may push your videos out to a small random audience trying to help you out, but it literally can't push it out to a targeted audience of your ideal clients because it doesn't know who those people are. Help the algorithm help you. Keep all of your videos focused on your niche and use targeted keywords in the words you say, the text you put on the screen, and in your caption, including targeted hashtags so that the algorithm quickly learns who to show your content to. During this 2-week period of posting 3 times a day, use a variety of content. We have found there are 3 types of posts that you need to be posting on TikTok in order to grow. trends, text on screen videos, and original content. Within those 3 types of content, you want to be hitting 5 different categories: inspiring, educating, and entertaining your audience, while also sharing bits of your lifestyle as it relates to your niche and promoting your offers. If you want to see this breakdown in full detail, including a description of each post type and category, and the exact schedule I use each week to maximize my results, I invite you to grab our newly updated social media posting plan. Inside, we've added a brand new section all around short video, including the exact posting schedule I've been using on TikTok to get these results. You can download the guide absolutely free at globalfreedomcommunity.com/post, and I will link it below for you as well. Posting 3 times a day and keeping it all locked in and focused on your niche allowed me to grow from scratch to 1,000 followers in just 2 weeks. This is huge because once you hit 1,000 followers on TikTok, you can add a link in your bio where people can go opt in to one of your free resources or even purchase products or programs from you. This is what allowed us to generate 1,100 leads to our email list and close $50,000 in sales in the last 2 months strictly from TikTok. After that initial 2-week period, I switched my strategy to only posting 2 times a day. I do 1 original content video daily, usually sharing something educational with my audience around my niche, and then 1 trend or text on screen video every day. I rotate through the 6 categories I mentioned earlier, which allows me to not only attract an audience, but also capture leads and convert sales organically from my content. Okay, let's dive into a couple of quick tips to help you get the most out of your time on TikTok. Know your niche and do not deviate. I know I already talked about this, but it's so important, so I'm saying it again. Next, warm up the algorithm for the first couple of weeks, posting at least 3 times a day. Next, include a CTA, a call to action, in every single video, whether it's a call to follow you, to leave a comment, or to check out a resource in your bio. One thing I will mention here, do not say link in bio on TikTok. The algorithm doesn't like it, so an easy workaround is simply to mention whatever resource you want people to take action on and tell them the details are on my profile. So for example, if I'm talking about our social media posting plan, which is one of the links in my TikTok bio, I would say, be sure to grab my social media posting plan. It's free and the details are on my profile. Next up, hashtags. Use as many as you can and don't overthink it. I use the same hashtags in every post and think of each one like a keyword that is signaling to the algorithm who I want it to show my videos to. My biggest piece of advice is to find a couple of other creators in your niche and make note of which hashtags they are using frequently on their own content as a starting place for your own. Last but not least, be consistent. One thing that really helped me in the beginning was not posting a single video until I already had over 20 videos created and ready to post. This helped me consistently show up with 3 videos a day and not get behind. After that initial 2-week period, pick a schedule you can be consistent with and stick with it. All right, that's all I got for today. Don't forget to grab our updated social media posting plan and see exactly how I broke all of this down. You can grab it free at globalfreedomcommunity.com/post, and I've linked it below for you as well. In next week's video, I'm going to share exactly what we did to convert all of these TikTok followers into 1,100 leads and $50,000 in sales for our business. You're definitely going to want to see that video, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and come back to check it out. In the meantime, I have asked YouTube to recommend the best next video for you, which you can watch right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.